Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 29th of April. And first of all, national news. Operation Kaveri. India brought home 754 more citizens from Sudan. Government constantly working for democratization of technology. PM Modi. Man Ki Baat has helped promote Ayush Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. Poonch terror attack. Arms and ammunition dropped in drone with local help. Police arrested one. Technology revolution has reshaped radio, FM. Prime Minister Modi. SCO members should respect sovereignty, territorial integrity of countries. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari. Rajnath Singh chaired SCO Defence Ministers meeting. India's first cable stayed bridge, Anji Khan, will be ready in May this year. Now, international news. Idea that he would make it until 86 unlikely. Nikki Haley on Joe Biden. BBC chairman announced resignation over loan to Boris Johnson. Nepal grants recorded climbing permits for Mount Everest. Shot down 21 Russian missiles, 2 drones overnight, Ukraine. Normalized management, China on border raw, day after India's strong message. 2 US Army helicopters crash during Alaska training flight. Twin earthquakes hit western Nepal overnight, no casualties reported. Turkey's Erdogan re-emerges with Putin after citing health issues. And now some sports news. Expected Virat Kohli to lead India when Rohit Sharma was injured, Ravi Shastri's honest admission. This is first step towards win. Protest will continue. Sakshi Malik. IPL 2023 only focused on my role at GT. Riddhiman Saha said. Sri Lanka whitewash Ireland with second innings victory. Qatar to host 2027 World Cup in men's basketball. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty declined in early trade after 4-day rally. Majority of pilots have accepted new compensation package, Air India chief. ACC quarterly revenue rose 8.23% year-on-year to rupees 4,791 crore. Wheat arrivals in Punjab cross 100 lakh metric ton. Now news from science and technology. Hong Kong scientists discovered box jellyfish with 24 eyes. Artificial intelligence discovered a new planet outside our solar system. And twinning pulse, NASA shared images of 2 distant galaxies taken by Hubble telescope. And that's all in news. Thank you.